Hello, literature enthusiasts and science aficionados. Today, I'm thrilled to delve into an intriguing topic, the significance of literature for science students. Now, you might wonder, what connection does a literature degree have with a science degree? Well, don't rush to judgment just yet. The science world is often perceived as a realm where technical knowledge is paramount. However, it's crucial to remember that science isn't just about learning facts. It's about understanding the world from a varied range of perspectives. And where do we find these perspectives? In literature. By indulging in literature as a science student, you can broaden your horizons and gain new insights on the world around you. You can tap into innovative ideas and expand your scientific understanding beyond the textbook. This blend of disciplines not only enhances your academic journey, but also enriches your personal growth. So, my students, don't hesitate to dive deep into both literature and science. Embrace the synergy between these fields and witness how it transforms your learning experience. Remember, knowledge is limitless, and so are our possibilities when we combine diverse fields of study. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this insightful and enjoyable, do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more intriguing content like this one. Until our next rendezvous, take care.